French fries day. Funny and strange facts about her. French fries are a dish that no one can resist. Although we know that it is a food that contains a lot of calories, the pleasure that fried potatoes bring is not able to be missed by anyone. Cut with salt and vinegar and eaten by Canadians soaked in brown gravy and Belgians dipped in mayonnaise, but some may not know these amazing facts about French fries. Strange information about fried potatoes. French fries country of origin. The French, Spanish, and Belgians all claim that they have taken it away, but no one knows for sure the real story. Some claim that it began in France, where it was first sold in 1789 by street vendors on the Pont Neuf bridge in Paris. Those who believe that French fries are Belgian say they are called French because Belgian food and culture were often appropriated by the French at some point, and those who believe that French fries first appeared in Spain point to the fact that the Spaniards were the first to bring potatoes across the Atlantic. Thomas Jefferson introduced fried potatoes to America for the first time. French fries became an essential part of the American diet, but the first to bring them was the third President of the United States, Thomas Jefferson, after he discovered them while working abroad as an American minister to France. McDonald's sells insane amounts of French fries. McDonald's restaurant chain consumes nearly 7% of the potatoes grown in the United States. Some claim that McDonald's fries may actually be addictive because people can't stop eating them no matter how much they eat them. The chain sells meals. Fast food makes more than a third of all French fries consumed in the United States, using their famous recipe, which for some reason has about 20 ingredients. According to National Geographic, the average American eats nearly 30 pounds of French fries each year. If you're like most Americans, each year you consume a toddler's weight in French fries. There is a museum dedicated to French fries. Whether or not the Belgians invented the French fries is up for debate, but they are certainly proud of their history associated with the French fries, so much so that there is an entire museum in Bruges, Belgium dedicated to the French fries. It is called the Friet Museum, and visitors can learn about the rich history of French fries, taste traditional French fries, and learn the secret to making delicious French fries recipes at home. The first person to write about French fries for the first time was Charles Dickens, a 17th-century foodie, the first author of potato books Fried in Literature. Dickens wrote about dozens of breakfast foods and dinner dishes and included a reference to French fries in his 1859 novel A Tale of Two Cities, where Dickens described the dish we now know as French fries as husky potato chips fried with a few drops of faltering oil. French fries are the favorite vegetable of young children. French fries are originally a vegetable, but according to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, French fries are the most consumed vegetable for children between the ages of 2 to 4 years, but it is definitely not a healthy vegetable for their development after being served in this way. Although you may think of French fries as one of the worst foods you can put into your body, they actually have some nutritional benefits, since they are made from potatoes, which are vegetables, so they contain all the vitamins of potatoes, including vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium and iron. Why are French fries in restaurants and fast food so much better in terms of taste than the ones you make at home? One possible reason is that restaurants fry potatoes more than once, as after the initial deep frying, restaurants will allow the potatoes to cool before frying them again, sometimes twice. On July 13th of each year, the world celebrates French Fries Day, to celebrate this wonderful dish of food, despite its misleading name, which makes you think that its origins are French, but it is claimed that French fries have Belgian origins.